Hello again, boys and girls. Today we're going to look at another point-and-shoot camera. Let me just get it out. Comes packed. The compact comes packed. Ooh, it's a Pentax. Pentax Espio 738G. It's a zoom lens, 38 to 70 millimeters. Looks new. Ay, 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 it's a beautiful camera. This strap has this. Oh, this is for the battery. So you can use this to open the battery compartment and put a battery in. What sort of battery? I think it's a CR123, of course. Yep. Great. So be sure not to lose this, because otherwise you have to use a pen to open the battery door. Okay, this is for the tripod. This is for rewinding the film before it finishes, because the film gets to the end, it will rewind it back in the case automatically. So yeah, the camera looks pretty nice. This is the zoom button, dial actually. This is on and off. Let's see, let's turn it on. Let's turn it on. There we go. Yeah, it looks nice. Look at the colors. The coating looks okay. Let's use the zoom for a sec. Nice. Right. That's the 70. It's a bit slow, but no, it's okay. Great. Now let's... Oh, the coating is there for the DX films. Let's put some film inside. Right. Slide it in. Align it. Close it. There we go. Okay. Timer. Mountains. So the mountain sign is it's for infinity focus. So if you see this mountain sign, there are some cameras that have it. You can because sometimes you can miss focus with these little point-and-shoot cameras. That's why, if you're sure that you're gonna do landscape or something that's really far away, just use that. It's more practical, and you're sure you're gonna get the infinity focus. Let's try it actually, and turn the flash off actually. Yep, flash off. Oh, you got a bulb. That's nice. Hombre. Let's use this. Nice. Let's see if we can see the shutter. Well, I think I'm too close and it will not fire. No. Right. So let's see the modes. This is forced flash. It will fire the flash whenever. Whoa. I just looked in the flash. I see all red dots everywhere. That's nice. Well, this is auto, I guess, when you have nothing. Why did I look at the flash again? This is no flash. That's it. Oh, the bulb. Right. So the bulb, let's see. We just press the shutter and keep it pressed. And the diaphragm is going to stay open. The bulb will blink until I take my hands my thumb off the button and then it will close. Well, that's a nice feature, I say, and it's pretty rare on this point-and-shoot cameras. So, guys, if you want a camera that has a bulb mode, like keep the aperture open as long as you want, this is a nice way to do it with this Pentax Espio. Great. So that's about it with this camera. It's really a nice camera. It has this grippy thing here, which stays nice in the hand. The zoom button is right where it's supposed to be. The viewfinder looks nice. It's not that small. Actually, yeah, it's small, but it looks nice. So that's it, guys. This is the what is this button? I didn't see that button there. Was it? What is it? It looks like an eye. Maybe the pre-flash for the red eyes. Huh? Let's see. Let's turn this on. Huh? Yep. Look, the eye appears there. So there, if you want to pre-flash and blind the guy before you should take the shot, this is it. I didn't see that pre-flash, but great. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you on so thank you guys for watching. This is a really nice camera. I will see you on the next review of little point and shoot cameras. Stay tuned. Ciao.